From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, it certainly was a stormy Saturday night. A lot of those storms containing heavy rainfall, quite a bit of lightning, gusty winds, and in some cases hail. But thankfully, all that activity quickly cleared the area early this morning. And it was back to mostly sunny skies out there today. Really nice day, a little bit cooler. Temperatures mid-70s this afternoon. But most importantly, those dew points were in the 40s. So the humidity very low. That's going to continue throughout the day tomorrow and pretty chilly overnight tonight. So we're going to take a look at those temperatures coming up in just a second. But first, here's the satellite and radar composite. And again, all the showers, the storms, the cloud cover well off to our east into the Gulf of Mexico. And look what's banking in its wake, high pressure. So that's going to continue working in overnight tonight. So it was breezy out there today. Those northwesterly winds at around 10 to 15, but those will settle down tonight. And with fair skies in place, that's going to allow temperatures to drop into the mid and upper 40s. So quite chilly first thing tomorrow morning, probably at least a light jacket needed for most of you. And then it's going to be a gorgeous day throughout the day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures top it out pretty much right where they should be for the time of year, mid to upper 70s. And with high pressure in control, winds are going to be very light, no better than around 3 to 6 miles per hour. Now that high is going to slowly start to shuttle its way off to the east come Tuesday. Still going to be a cool start. We'll be in the lower 50s, but then we'll start to favor more of a partly cloudy sky into Tuesday afternoon as southerly winds kind of return, working around that high pressure system off to our east. But still, the humidity is going to stay in check for one more day there on Tuesday. It stays mild, upper 70s into the afternoon. Can't rule out one or two isolated showers for extreme western Louisiana, but most of us stay dry over the next couple of days, and then that humidity, unfortunately, is going to be back as we head into Wednesday. But as far as tonight, feeling very nice out there. Chilly though, mid 40s for northern Acadiana. We'll say mid to upper 40s here along the I-10 corridor, and we'll see pretty much similar numbers there across the coastal parishes. After that chilly start, very comfortable tomorrow. Again, as the humidity stays low, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s by the afternoon. Notice temperatures still cool come Tuesday morning. Lower 50s, low to mid 50s is what we'll call it, and then we're right back up into the upper 70s come Tuesday afternoon as we start to favor more of a partly cloudy sky. Your temperature trend here over the next 5 days, average or the normal temperature sits at around 79 for this time of year. We'll be pretty close to that through about Wednesday, and then it looks like we'll be pushing the lower to middle 80s by the end of the week. And with that, once we get some more moisture into the area, we'll start to see the return of some rain chances as well. As far as your evening forecast, if you're heading out, very nice conditions. We'll be in the lower 70s, but eventually falling into the 60s as the evening wears on, but eventually bottoming out mid to upper 40s by tomorrow morning. 78, your projected high tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day, wall-to-wall sunshine with that low humidity in place. Again, your winds not too strong at all, only coming in at around 3 to 6. Tuesday, not too bad, but some cloud cover, especially by the second half of the day. We'll be in the upper 70s. Same goes for Wednesday, but the humidity's back on Wednesday. And then for the rest of the week or the end of the week, we're in the lower to middle 80s with the return of some scattered shower and storm chances, especially by the end of the week. Looks like it could extend into the upcoming weekend as well, as we have a frontal boundary that's going to kind of be lurking around the area, make it cut up across the area. So we'll keep an eye on that. Stay tuned for the latest. But in the short term, Taylor, no weather issues whatsoever. Lots of sunshine and a beautiful start to the week tomorrow.
Something to look forward to if you're not looking forward to Monday, right?
Yeah, that's going to make up that Monday that much more sweeter for sure.
Well, thanks for that.